Hey, look right up there, because that could be your new self-contained, fully furnished one-bedroom apartment right here at the Terraces Apartments. And we are on Denarau Island. This is the main entrance for Terraces Apartments, 45 units here. And this one is extra special because it has a really huge deck. And I'm gonna walk you over there and you can take a look at it. You're going to want to go to professionalsfiji.com and call us at +679 999 2051 to get all the details of this rental. If you have somebody coming in to Fiji full-time or part-time, or you're just saying, hey, I need a break, well, guess what? This is a really, really cool place. It is self-contained, like I said, turnkey. And let's take a peek together right now. Here we go. Now you have these privacy, you see all along here, privacy shutters and screens. You have a half bath here for guests, very convenient. And look at this, more amenities. Get your pen and paper out. Lots of amenities in this one bedroom here. Look at that, washer and dryer right inside the unit. The towels, the sheets, everything is right here for you. So no worry, no hurry. We're going to make it easy for you. In fact, if you say, well, gee, it's a one bedroom, but I want to have friends over, there's a Murphy bed that's going to pull down there. And look at that full kitchen. I mean, this is bigger than a lot of the kitchens we've seen. Microwave, kettle, toaster, dishwasher, oven, 4 gas burner stove top with the vent hood, Fisher Paykel fridge. Great, nice little dining area here, both upper and lower cabinets for storage, high ceilings with the recessed LED lights, air con here, and I'm going to show you the bedroom as well. Also has air conditioning, but lots of space in here, really, really good size. Let's go check out the bedroom here, and you can see that nice mossy design, local Fijian art there. That's all hand done, really cool. So you get to see a lot of that stuff when you come to Fiji. And lots of storage. Hopefully you won't have too much formal wear here. Lots of bathing suits and casual wear. Towels and sheets. Even a safe here provided for you. So lots of storage. Great shower stall. You can see tiled throughout. Really, really clean and nice. More storage underneath there with the sink, toilet area. Lots of room in the bathroom, which is great. You don't feel cramped. And nobody wants to come home and feel like they're, don't have a lot of space. Great, nice vanity full mirror here too. So when you're getting ready to go outside, you want to look your best. And there's that other air conditioner. So you are going to feel really nice and cool with that Panasonic quality aircon unit. And there's another one out here as well. So here's another look at the great room here. Lots of seating arrangements, high ceilings. Very, very convenient. If you're a yachty or boatie coming in on the Blue Lanes Initiative or coming to Fiji, you want to get off the boat and have a place to just hang your head and be steps away from the Port Denarau Marina, which is just literally steps this way. You can come and enjoy this with yourself and or some friends. But really nice deck here, partially covered to enjoy yourself. And the palms community here, and in fact there's a nice little cafe down here. There's also a cafe just around the corner here, as well as a massage bure that you can schedule massages, which is just over here. So all the nice little conveniences, and you can see a lot of that natural light coming through where we are now. But again, steps away from Port Denarau Marina, 15 to 20 minutes from the international airport. Restaurants, retail, wine bars, coffee shops, inter-island boat transfers. You're really close to Mamanutha and Asawa Islands to get out and do all that amazing world-class surfing at places like Cloudbreak or the pelagic fishing. Catch yourself a great big tuna here. And of course, you can get out and do all this wonderful snorkeling and scuba diving. In fact, Fiji is known for their soft coral diving. So a lot of great things to do here. There's that Murphy bed for your guests. There's your bed. Lots of fun sitting areas, and of course you can do that streaming right there on Netflix. So everything is right here, just waiting for you at the Terrace Apartments. Find out more about this listing. Go to professionalsfiji.com. Call us at +679 999 2051, and we'll tell you all about this and all of the listings that we have here in Fiji. We look forward to hearing from you soon. Manaka.